Hi guys, thank you for joining me in today's practice. We're gonna be working our abs. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. Start in a plank pose with your shoulders stacked over your elbows. You wanna stay in a straight line, so don't lift your hips too much and don't sink them down too much. And just squeeze your abs to get the most out of this pose. 3, 2, and 1. Lower your knees, take a rest. Come back up. Now we're gonna be stepping out. So step out with your right foot, step out with your left foot, and then step in with your right foot, step in with your left foot. Keep repeating and make sure you're not lifting your hips up too much. Always stay in a straight line. Great job. Now lower your knees and come on your back. Lie on your back, place your hands under your hips and lift both legs up. Now lower your left leg down and up. Lower your right leg down and up. Left down, up, right down, up. Your legs are as straight as possible. Right leg down, up, left leg down and up. Great job. Now lower both legs and extend them. Now you're gonna reach to your left foot with your right hand. Lift your left leg up and reach with your right hand. Try to tighten your abs to get the most out of this pose and make sure your leg is as straight as possible. Now switch to your left side. Reach to your right foot with your left hand. Alright, good job. Now come back to a plank position. Now come to a plank. Your shoulders are stacked over your wrists. You're in a straight line. What you're gonna do is you're gonna reach to your left elbow with your right knee and your right elbow with your left knee. Twist. Right elbow, left knee, left elbow, right knee. Shift your weight slightly forward. Lower your abs and rest in the child's pose. Come back up. We're gonna be repeating the previous pose again. So left elbow, right knee, right elbow, left knee. Shift your weight forward as you move. All right, you must be really warmed up by now. So let's take a moment to rest. Clasp your hands behind you and just take a moment to relax. Now lie on your back and lift your legs up with your knees bent, your arms are up, and you're gonna lower your left leg along with your right arm. So you lower the opposite leg and opposite arm. Left leg, right arm goes down, comes back up. Right leg, left arm goes down and comes back up. Great job. So let's take a moment to rest. You can lie on your back or you can come to a seated position and walk back with your hands as I'm doing here, whatever feels good. Alright, so we're gonna be doing a lot of planks today. Come back to a forearm plank and we're gonna be doing hip dips. Lower your hips to the right side and then lower them to the left side, right side. Twist from your belly and then the left side. Always make sure you're not lifting your hips too much. So just twist and twist. Alright, let's take a moment to stretch the shoulders out. So keep your arms bent and parallel to the floor. Just open and close to get a nice stretch. Now let's do a nice 15-second plank. So meet me at the forearm plank pose and don't forget to stay in a straight line. Squeeze your abs. Don't forget to breathe and just hold a nice plank. Perfect. Now you might be tired, but don't give up. We don't have much left. So lie on your back. Lift your legs up with your knees bent and lower your left leg with your right arm and your right leg with your left arm. So left arm, right leg, right arm, left leg. Lower your legs, take a moment to relax and just notice how you are breathing. Now we have a somewhat intense move, so place your hands under your hips, lift your legs up and lower them both down. Your legs are straight, you lift them up and down. Now if this is hard, just do it one leg at a time. Up and slowly down. Great job. Now lower your legs down and we just have one last plank left. Meet me in a high plank with your shoulders stacked over your wrists. And always make sure that you're in a straight line, so don't sink your hips. I know you're tired, don't lift them up too much. Just try to maintain a straight line and make sure to squeeze your abs. You did it. Now lower your knees down and come to a child's pose, extending your arms forward. Just tune in with your breath and relax. Alright, congratulate yourself if you made it until here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!